arrange these fractions ascendingly from the smallest to the greatest. The first fractions, first group 5 over 6, 3 over 4, 1 over 2, and 7 over 8. We said before, to compare fractions, we have to find the LCM, or we have to find a number divisible by all of these denominators. Now we have 6, 4, 2, and 8. What is the smallest number divisible by all of these numbers? Can we check 12? 12 is divisible by 6, divisible by 4, divisible by 2, but not divisible by 8. What about 16? 16 divisible by 8, 2, 4, but not divisible by 6. Can we multiply 6 by 4 equals 24? Yes, 24 divisible by all of these denominators. All of these denominators will be 24. 6 to be 24, we times by 4 up and down. 6 times 4 and 4 times 5 times 4 equals 20. To be 4 to be 24, we times by 6 up and down. 3 times 6 equals 18. 2 to be 24, we need all denominators to be 24. 2 times 12, and here also 1 times 12 equals 12. 8 to be 24 times 3, up and down. 7 times 3 equals 21. Now we have 21, we have 12, 18, 20. This fraction means 20 over 24, 18 over 24, 12 over 24, 21 over 24. What is the smallest number? The smallest number is 12. This takes number 1. Number 2, 18, 3 over 4. Number 3, 20, the first fractions. Number 4, and the biggest, 7 over 8. What about if we want to compare, if we want to order 3 over 5, 1 over 2, 9 over 10, and 3 over 5? Can we go to here? Fractions, 3 over 5, half, 9 over 10, 1 over 4. We have to find the smallest number that divisible by all of these denominators. What about number 10? 10 here divisible by 2 and 5, but not divisible by 4. What about 20? 20 divisible by all of these numbers. We can try 4 times 10, 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 5 equals 20. Can we make all of these denominators as 20? Yes. 4 times 5, we times 5 up and down. 4 times 5, 20. 1 times 5 equals 5. 10 times 2 and 9 times 2 equals 18. 2 to be 20, 2 times 10, 1 times 10 equals 10. 5 to be 25 times 4, we times 4 up and down. 3 times 4 equals 12. What is the smallest number? 12, 10, 18, 5. Yes, this is the smallest. Number 2, 3 over, number 2, 1 over 2. Number 3, 12. We order according to these numbers: 12, 10, 18, 5. 12 takes number 3. Number 4, the last and the biggest fraction, 9 over 10, 18. Number 4. If we want to write these fractions ascendingly, number 1, 1 over 4. Number 2, half. Number 3, 4 over 5. Number 4, 9 over 10. 11 over 12. 5 over 12. 2 over 3. 3 over 4. 5 over 6. 11 over 12, 5 over 12, 2 over 3, 3 over 4, 5 over 6. Like we said before, we must put the fractions, all of these fractions like fractions. 12, sorry, 12 divisible by 12, divisible by itself, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 6. Can we put now all of these denominators as 12? This 11 over 12 is ready. 5 over 12 is ready. 2 over 3. To get 12 at denominator, we times 4 up and down. 3 times 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 4 to be 12, we times 3 up and down. 3 times 3 equals 9. 6 to be 12, we times by 2 up and down. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now we have 11, 5, 8, 9, 10. All of these numerators over 10. Over 12. The smallest fractions, number 1, 5. After 5, 8, which represent 2 over 3. Number 3, 9, which represents 3 over 4. The fourth fraction, 5 over 6. The last fraction, 11 over 12. 3 over 2, 3 over 5, 3 over 8, but 6 over 8 not in the simplest form. Now we can simplify 6 over 8. 6 over 8, we divided by 2 up and down. 6 divided 2, 8 divided 2 equals 4. Yes, we can write 6 over 8 as 3 over 4. 18 over 21, 18 over 21. 18 divisible by 3, 3 times 6, 21, 3 times 7. We divided by 3 up and down. 18 divided 3, 6. 21 divided 3, 7. 6 over 7. But here all numerators are similar. 3, 3, 3, 3. Can we make this numerator as 3? 6 to make 6 as 3, we divide by 2 up and down. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. Yes, we write 18 over 21 as 3 over 3.5. Now we have all of these fractions are like have like numerators. Now we ordering according to denominator. Now we know that the fraction with denominator bigger has a smaller value. 3 over 2, 3 over 5, 3 over 8, 3 over 4, 3 over 3.5. 3 over 8 is the smallest fraction, number 1. Then 5, 3 over 5. Then 3 over 4. Then 3.5 bigger than 2. Yes, this fraction 3 over 5 smaller. Take number 4. Number 5, and the biggest fraction 3 over 2. We know that 1 over 7 and 1 over 5. Yes, 1 over 5 bigger than 1 over 7. The last example, 4 and 2 over 5. 5 and 1 over 4, 4 and 5 over 8, 4 and half, 4 and 3 over 4. Look at the whole numbers here, 4, 4, 4, 4. This fraction 5 and 1 over 4 is the biggest fraction because the whole number is bigger than any whole number here. Is 4 and 2 over 5, 5 and 4, 5 and 4. We don't need to compare 5 and 1 over 4 because it will be the biggest fraction. Now we are comparing this and this and this and this. These fractions have common whole numbers. We, we compare between them according to these fractions, 2 over 5, 5 over 8, half, and 3 over 4. By looking to the denominators, 5, 8, 2, 4, Now we searching about the LCM, about the fraction, about the number that divisible by all of these denominators, 5, 8. What about can we multiply 5 times 8 equals 40? Yes, 5 times 8 equals 40. 40 is divisible by all of these numbers. To make 5 as 40, we multiply by 8. We times 8 up and down. 5 times 8. Here we times 5 times 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 8 times 5. I need all fractions, all denominators to be all denominators to have 40. Sorry, we need all fractions to have 40 in denominators. 8 times 5, yes, 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 2 to be 40, we times by 20 up and down. 1 times 20 equals 20. 4 to be 40, we times by 10 up and down. 4 times 10 equals 40. 3 times 10 equals 30. Look here, 30, 20, 25, 16. Which is smaller? 16 is smaller, number 1. Then number 2, 20. Then 25. Then 30. And the biggest fraction 5 and 1/4 because it has the biggest whole number. It will take number 5 here. Now if you have all fractions have same denominator, you can order these fractions according to numerators.